एक फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर एक 2.5 hours की फिल्म में यू आर ट्राइंग टू टेल अ स्टोरी टू द ऑडियंस, the same story can be told in a short film format in 8 or 9 minutes, and the same thing can be told in 2 minutes.
Correct.
So for a filmmaker it's very challenging to impact an audience in a 2-minute clip, which I must say that there are so many talented creators out there who are managing to do that. But yeah, of course, if your movie का scene को तोड़ मरोड़ के you are spoiling that, then it's no fun.
Then it's so fun.
Yeah, so but ठीक है, we are also coping up and adapting to the changing times.
Hello everybody. So today we have someone who has an amazing journey all the way from Indore to Bombay to one of the most difficult industry that I think of, the Indian cinema. We have today with Ms. Vidhi Godgaonkar. Today, hi Vidhi.
Hello.
Welcome to IMA Podcast 2025.
Thank you so much.
So in your profile we read you do multiple things. You are casting director, you sometimes write, you do a lot of job. Which one is the difficult one and which one is the most important to you?
Actually, they've all been a part of my progressive journey into the Hindi films. I started out as an assistant director with Mr. Rohit Shetty. So I had multiple roles in the beginning of my career. But as years went by and I gained experience, I also figured, and my seniors figured, that I had a knack for writing as well. So that's how I got into screenplay dialogue writing. Last 3 years I've been an active part of the company's writing process. Suryavanshi was my first film as a dialogue writer, one of the dialogue writers. Circus was the next one, Indian Police Force, and recently released Singham again. So ऐसा नहीं बोलूँगी कि one is easier than the other, but every part of it is very exciting and I'm still learning.
That's amazing. Yeah. That's amazing. I have a follow-up question with you, which all of us think. आप लोगों का role is majorly in the pre-production time, if I'm not wrong. Movie release हो उनके पहले सब कुछ खत्म हो जाता है. Do you still have that anticipation के how people or how the audience will take this movie in a good way or a bad way, or do you register their responses as well?
Yeah, it's actually a very nerve-wracking time, just 1 week before the release of the film, especially जब हम लोग promos बना रहे होते हैं and when the promo is about to go out. There's always a nervous energy because, audiences, of course, like even after having a track record of so many hit films, but you cannot take the audience for granted. So you always want to know, whether this promo has clicked, whether this concept that you have worked on for so long has resonated with the audiences or not. So that 1 week ka time just before the release is very, very nerve-wracking. And of course, once the promo comes out, we all sit together, we watched the YouTube reaction videos जो आजकल बहुत चले हैं. We read the comments, what people have to say. A lot of people come and give us honest feedback on how they've found the promo and how badly they're anticipating to watch the film. So yeah, it is. We definitely keep a tab on.
So that's your research part. If I like to put in that way, कि आपका ये research time हो जाता है.
कह सकते हैं. Yes.
Okay. And does the onus of any good film which makes a good amount of success, or any film which does not do good on the box office, does it come back to you, or just the front face people who are there in the theaters and everything?
You mean to say as an assistant director?
Yeah,
or
as a
team
member,
crew
as a
member?
team, both.
Okay, so yes, definitely. Like if a film does well, everybody is happy, they are rejoicing. A for one, because आपकी सारी मेहनत रंग लाई, and it's wonderful to see. We always go theater hopping when the film releases. So we go to multiple theaters to see the reactions. And especially in Rohit Shetty kind of cinema, you crave to hear the CT talis coming out from the audiences. So we register those reactions from the audiences. If we hear bad comments, of course we feel bad and heartbroken because itni mehnat gayi hai usme. But we also take it in a very productive way कि अच्छा शायद these things did not work in this film, and the mistakes that we wouldn't repeat on the next project. So yeah, that is usually the process.
जैसे कोई प्लांट ग्रो होता है तो उसका कहीं ना कहीं बीज तो डालना ही पड़ता है. सो वो कैसे स्टार्ट होता है इन योर लाइन ऑफ वर्क? मतलब वो कैसे लाइन अप होती है चीज़ें कि भाई ये एक नया प्रोजेक्ट आ रहा है और यू पुट इन योर आइडियाज और यू डू गेट द आइडियाज एंड यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन देम?
So in our case, if you if I look at the Cop franchise for instance, so जब सिंघम अगेन हम लोग बना रहे थे तो उसके पहले we already knew what the seed was because it was a continuation of Suryavanshi. So it was like we had left the story there. When it's a fresh story like say a circus or a Chennai Express, then the team comes up with a storyline first. Then we all brainstorm together and we break that down into a screenplay, which is a scene-wise division of the story. And then it goes into dialogue writing. So the seed, we have a team of writers within the company and we always come together and we feel कि ऐसा होना चाहिए. Like for instance, we are working on Golmaal 5 now. So उसमें ये है कि all the characters are known, set है.
Yeah.
लेकिन कहानी क्या होगी, that's a challenge. And you also have to have a new storyline every time that is equally funny than how the previous sequel was. So then we all brainstorm together ki how differently can we do. It should be relevant to the current times, what people like watching also. So yeah, it's like a team effort.
Amazing, amazing. I just said new project to Golmaal 5, so we'll take this opportunity and stage के भाई Golmaal 5 यहाँ पे हमने announce हुआ है. Thank you for that. I have one question from you. You said you have multiple roles and everything, so I'm assuming you must be having a busy schedule. 24 hours में I don't know how many hours you must be taking out work for
25 hours.
25 hours is it? How do you keep fit and everything? Well, how do you take out time for yourself? Because end of the day, you need to build your personality as well to stand out in the team. How do you take out time for yourself and what do you do to enhance yourself, your personality during that time?
Well, मेरे लिए तो especially last 1 year has been quite hectic, like you said, because we had 2 overlapping projects. We were shooting for Indian Police Force that came out on Amazon Prime, and that उसका जब post production चल रहा था, we already had started working on Singham. So it was very hectic. We had no Sundays off the entire year, for that matter.
Okay.
But for me, it was like you said, ki building my own personality during the process of these 2 projects, because दोनों का जो space of writing था, even though they were both police related concepts, but दोनों का space एकदम अलग था as a writer.
Okay.
So in Indian Police Force, I was one of the 2 dialogue writers. तो उसमें बहुत सारी चीजें हमने on set लिखी. कि on set scenes we used to write when we used to be on set. But in Singham, there was a huge responsibility of the cop universe and so many big stars coming together. So we were meticulously going. Of course, Ramayan was a part of it. So we couldn't go wrong at all. तो उसमें research बहुत गया. तो मेरे लिए actually this by itself is a way of recreation to completely, pour myself in the process of writing and filmmaking and all of that. But otherwise, when I do have some free time, I like to read because I think reading really gives you a sense of imagination. जो एक audio visual medium से एक step बेहतर है, I feel. Because when you're reading a book, you are the director. Every reader is the director of that film. You're not watching somebody else's vision of that story. So I love to read. I like to write poetry. So I do that. Of course, watching movies is a part of my recreation also. I had to go out with friends and just like observe new people every day.
Nice. आजकल एक ट्रेंड बना हुआ है रील्स का, मतलब how does it affect or how do you gain the most out of it? जो एक रील्स है, 10-second रील्स है, because as you can see, एक अच्छी चीज को भी खराब में बदलना और एक खराब चीज को अच्छे में बदलना, it has the power of that.
Absolutely.
So how do you look after this? ये पार्ट आप कैसे उसका हैंडल करते हो फॉर योर अपकमिंग मूवीज और ड्यूरिंग दी प्रोडक्शन? क्योंकि हम कई बार देखते हैं कि दिस हैड टू बी अ वेरी सेंसिटिव सीन इन सम क्लाइमेक्स पार्ट, वो कभी कभी रील्स में बाहर आ जाता है.
Correct.
तो हाउ डू यू लुक इनटू दिस और हाउ डू यू मैनेज ऑल दिस थिंग्स?
See, अभी the growth of social media, I feel, is a boon as well as a curse. क्योंकि Boon इसलिए audience's attention span has gone down tremendously because of the reels, said reels. But also it gives, it's a challenging space for a filmmaker कि एक, for example, अगर एक 2.5 hours की film में you're trying to tell a story to the audience. The same story can be told in a short film format in 8 or 9 minutes. And the same thing can be told in 2 minutes.
Correct.
So for a filmmaker, it's very challenging to, you know, impact an audience in a 2-minute clip, which I must say that, you know, there are so many talented creators out there who are managing to do that. But yeah, of course, if your movie ka scene ko tod marod ke you're spoiling that, then it's no fun.
Then it's so fun.
Yeah. So, but theek hai, we are also coping up and adapting to the changing times.
Is this because earlier the movie timings was used to 3.5 hours, and still it has been reducing day by day, and it has come down to 2.5 hours on an average, and people still like 1.5 hour mein will be free and everything.
Yeah.
Is it because of this trend only?
मुझे क्या लगता है ना कि it is very subjective, because if you see Pushpa was a 3.5 hour.
Yes.
I believe Chhaava is also a pretty long film. So it depends on the liking of the audience. कि अगर आप उनको उस तरह का content देंगे जो उनको देखना है, तो then time really doesn't matter. It's just that people are trying to follow like एक herd mentality में ना कि अच्छा सब बोल रहे हैं छोटा बनाने, तो let us also, you know, get rid of the songs or action sequences और सब कुछ edit करके छोटा कर दो. I think it's completely subjective, and it depends on what content and the way that you are entertaining the audience.
Amazing. So I like to have 1 or 3 rapid fire questions for you. I already asked, but still, just in one sentence, what is your stress buster? Straight away. Is it
Friends. We show Friends.
Okay. Movie or series that you'll suggest to watch?
This Is Us.
Okay. And poha or vada pav?
Poha. Always.
Anytime? With Jiravan?
Always.
Always. Okay. What do you prefer? An animated movie or a proper short movie?
Can't pick, because I've watched some amazing animated movies.
Okay.
Like Finding Nemo, one of my favorite films.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. You already said you're working on a current project, Golmaal 5. Other than that?
So currently with Rohit sir, I'm working on 2 projects as a writer. We are writing this film, which is a biopic of ex-commissioner of police Rakesh Maria.
Okay.
Again, a cop drama.
Okay.
And Golmaal 5. And on a personal front, I'm also working on a love story, which I'm set to direct by the end of this year.
Congratulations. So it was a great time, Vidhi. Thank you very much. I hope with this podcast we can state one line, since we have a lot of cop movies, कि आपका एक motto तो हो जाना चाहिए कि अफवाहें मत उड़ाओ, सिर्फ गाड़ियाँ उड़ाओ. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.